Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to remove watermark from CapCut. So if you also want to remove watermark from CapCut, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So you might have noticed whenever you export the project from CapCut, you'll be able to see the watermark in your videos. So if you want to remove the watermark, it is very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch upon the CapCut application and open the project from which you want to remove the watermark. You can see over here, I've already done that. Now at top right, you'll be able to find the option for 1080p and export. So if you want to remove the watermark, do not directly export. First of all, tap on the option 1080p that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like resolution, frame rate, optical flow, code rate. At last, you'll be able to find the option for watermark. All you have to do is tap on it. You can see over here right now watermark is visible. You can also adjust the position if you want. But if you want to remove the watermark, what you have to do is tap on the option hidden that you can see right over here. It is completely free. Now wait for a while. Now after that, your watermark will be hidden. Now whenever you export this project, the watermark will not be there any longer. So that is how you remove watermark from CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.